MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, and TireRack.com.
As it turns out, building a car is kinda hard. But that's not stopping electric vehicle startups like Rivian from getting boots on the assembly line. Earlier this season, we tested the R1T pickup, and now we're back in their first SUV, this R1S Launch Edition. Truth be told, the R1T and this R1S are quite similar. They use the same platform and powertrain configurations, including our model's quad-motor all-wheel drive layout. It provides 835 horsepower and an impressive 908 pound-feet of torque, running 0 to 60 sprints in 3.3 seconds according to our tests. And according to the EPA, expect up to 321 miles of range from the quad motor's large battery pack. Sitting in the driver's seat of this R1S with the nice big screens, the spaciousness around me, the view out over the sculpted hood, I feel like I'm in a modern premium large SUV. When it comes to ride, it's a little more like an old school truck-based ride. And riding like a truck isn't inherently bad. Yeah, it gets a little bouncy over uneven surfaces. It'll pitch forward quite a bit with the robust regenerative braking system. But keep in mind, the R1S is an SUV that can legitimately go off-roading, and it has multiple ride height settings, which do have a noticeable effect on how it rides. And of course, it is insanely fast. The Rivian R1S starts near $80,000 with delivery. Launch editions start over $90,000. We don't want to spoil too much, as we'll be featuring this R1S in a full road test in the very near future.